Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to do something a little different. The Vatican II religion has evil doctrines, an evil liturgy, and evil disciplines. Mostly, there has been a focus on the evil doctrines of Vatican II, but today, there will be a focus on its evil disciplines. The evil disciplines in question emanate from the doctrinal principles of Unitatis Regeneratio, the decree of Ecumenism. These disciplines are confirmed by John Paul II in the Directory for the Application of Principles and Norms on Ecumenism. One of the most evil disciplines of false ecumenism is the allowing of communion for a non-Catholic spouse during a wedding. Officially, the Ecumenical Directory does not condemn this intercommunion. On the contrary, it allows for such intercommunion. Quote, "For a just cause, however, the diocesan bishop may permit the celebration of the Eucharist. In the latter case, the decision as to whether the non-Catholic party of the marriage may be admitted to Eucharistic communion is to be made in keeping with the general norms existing in the matter both for Eastern Christians and for other Christians." Although the spouses in a mixed marriage share the sacraments of baptism and marriage, Eucharistic sharing can only be exceptional. End quote. Let me repeat that last line. Eucharistic sharing can only be exceptional. That means a non-Catholic spouse can take part in the Eucharist. This official discipline allows for non-Catholics to take part in Catholic communion. Not only is this sacrilegious, it shows that the whole religion of Vatican II is a religion of disunity. A disunited religion in faith that allows heretics of a condemned sect to receive its sacrament of communion. This discipline is being actively used across the Novus Ordo. For example, the Archdiocese of St. Paul, Minneapolis, officially allows for this intercommunion in its ecumenical guide on Lutheran and Catholic marriages, or Lutheran Catholic marriages. So, a mixed marriage. Quote, "While it is recommended by some dioceses that marriages be celebrated outside the Eucharistic liturgy, the most recent documents also indicate that under certain conditions, the local bishop may extend permission for Eucharistic sharing to a non-Catholic spouse." End quote. This should serve as ample proof that the religion of Vatican II is not the religion of the Catholic Church, the one true Church of Christ. Outside of the Church, there is no salvation, and there is certainly no communion with heretics. St. Vincent Ferrer, pray for us. St. Antoninus, pray for us. St. Philomena, pray for us.